Good evening, tutor. In this video, I present his place and the manager of articulation, she, be, be. The place on the manager of articulation, the consonant she. The place on the manager of articulation, affricate, explain how to articulate doesn't sound using the articulators of the vocal tracts. Its manager of articulation is sibilant affricate, which means it produces by first stopping the air flow internally, then directing in with the tongue to the sharp edge of the tongue, causing with frequency turbulence. Explain in they are voiced or voiced. This sound sheet is voices. Use the symbol in complete sentences. Example: students are sent in the chair, ready to listen to teaching for the exam. The C2 pronunciation exercise where you explain how to produce the sound are quarantine. Children, beach, chef, rich. Next consonant, the place on the manager of articulation, B, B. Explain how the articulate doesn't sound using the articulars of the vocal tract. The place of the manager of articulation, plosive. Explain you the articulate doesn't sound using the articulars of the vocal tract. Say be to yourself a few times. Feel your neck for the vibration that's there. You ducks it is voiced consonants. You can clearly feel the use on bone or your lips, demonstrating that is bilabial sounds. Explain if they are voiced or unvoiced. This consonant is voiced. Use the symbol in complete sentences. For example, Victor is in the classroom. I will tell you about my job. The C2 pronunciation exercise where you can explain how to pronounce the sound accurately. Example: book, book, maybe, maybe, back, back, about, about. Foul, consonant, the place on the manager of articulation, V, V. The place on the manner of articulation, fricative. Explain how the two articulate doesn't sound using the articulars on the vocal tract. The sound can be clearly felt the half voiced if you put your fingers on your throat. You should also be evident to feel their eye being kissing past your lower lip and upper from them, indicative that it is labiodental applicative. Explain in the they are voiced or voiced. This is consonant is voiced. Use the symbol is complete sentence. They clever girls solve problems. They are on vacation in the beach. Design to pronunciation exercise where you can explain how to pronounce the sound accurately. Example. Bex, love. Best, love. Violin, river. Violin, river.